Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is 5 things I love about week. So I am going to be doing 5 things I love about autumn. Now if you don't know already, autumn is my favourite season. I love autumn so much, and seeing as it's coming up to autumn now, 1, I'm getting excited, and 2, I thought that it would be suitable to make a video about that. So yeah. The first thing is the candles. Now I love candles all year round, I just love candles in general, but I feel like autumn and winter have the best smelling candles. I'm not the biggest fan of spicy scents, which I do have a lot of in the autumn. I'm not a fan of those, but I do like the more fresh and autumn kind of scents. There's one Christmas candle I have called Christmas Eve, and that's a little bit on the spicy side, but I like it. But yeah, I love autumn candle smells. Every time I go into the room down there that has my keyboard in, it smells so nice because I have all my Christmas candles on the shelves at the top from last year, and it just smells so nice. Secondly is the makeup, because in autumn I feel like you can go for like heavier makeup. Not that I wear loads of heavy makeup, but you can do more like eyeliner and darker lips and things, and it's just a change from summer. Thirdly is the outfits. Now I love autumn clothes. You can get cozy in all the jumpers and the leggings, and you wear more trousers and jeans and things. I like to wear a lot of skirts in autumn with tights and boots and things, and I love autumn clothes so much. Even though it's cold, the clothes just keep you nice and warm, and you can wear scarves and hats and things like that. Next is the weather. Autumn weather is just so nice. I actually like it when it rains in autumn sometimes, and it's just nice and cold but not too cold, because I quite like the cold when it's not too cold. And you got all the leaves going brown and things, and it's just nice and feels nice and fresh. I just also think autumn weather is perfect because you don't get snow and all that and ice that winter gets. They're also not too hot and sticky. I think spring and autumn are like the perfect weathers, whereas summer and winter are like the extremes. And finally, the last thing is the feeling of autumn, which I know sounds a bit weird, but when you go outside and it just feels so refreshing and the air just feels nice. I really love that feeling, and because you go, sorry, I've got some hair here. Because you go back to school in autumn, my school's like outside, you have to walk to get to different lessons, so it'll just be nice like to have the nice weather and the autumn weather and stuff. So that was it for this video. Sorry it was a bit of a mishmash. I feel like it was so short. I've never made videos this short, but I don't know. I'm in a very talky mood. I can't think of anything to say, so I might refilm this, but if I don't, then it's because I didn't have time or whatever. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube Sisters, and I will see you next week. Bye.